Them say storm a come a Jamaica, I will for prepare. But Jamaicans, I'm telling you this, we will for prepare for them. Something them a try in a disguise, behind back doors, but watch it, we not play back door shit. I will see everything we wanna try. I will see everything we wanna do. So nobody make them drive no fear now about the storm. It's not about the storm, it's something bigger them a plan. Remember, we know the bombing were happening in the Caribbean Sea, the war where go on. And no storm no move so slow. People who look into it, no storm moves so slow. Normally, if them say storm a come Sunday, if it not come Sunday, it come early Monday morning. This a storm a come from 3 weeks now and I know it can't reach. Can't check it. We know say a full no destruction a cause what happen now. That's why it a rupture so much things. So people who not afraid, who not fear what them a telling you, or something them a try under disguise. And we understand exactly the assignment where them a try. So now open up on the eye and watch out for things, new things that come towards you. Now the storm is just a distraction. Them have something else planned for Jamaica. And you have to open on the eye and see every move they make. That are the best way they can protect yourself out here. So hear me I tell you now, share this to everybody and open everybody's eye. But our eyes need to be open the right and proper way. That's why we need the third eye right now, and that is a blessing from God. Open up your eye towards all evil. Don't make them chicken and tell you about no storm. Storm is not the problem. Storm is just a distraction. And a way them a do a cause the storm. We understand exactly what happened. Yeah? So hear me I tell you, don't fret about no storm. Fret about where them have planned for we. That enough for fret about. Full time now we unite and come together and live as one. Because I can tell you this, the bigger heads and who control the system no love we. They would have love to get rid of the whole of it. So they can turn there they have hatred and think about other worldly living things and don't think about on the life and on the safety and on the family we want to have. Yeah? Can't say I never want you and tell you. Them have a bigger plan towards you. So no hope no eye. Believe me.